Well, hello and welcome to the Good Luck Colt, where we bring you budget-minded vehicle fabrication and the reviews of the tools that we use. I'm Brandon, and today we replace this factory crossmember on our Jeep Cherokee with this heavy-duty one. Stay tuned. Alright guys, welcome back. On the last episode we just repaired the weld nuts inside the unibody frame to mount our transmission crossmember to. And when we were mounting it all up, we noticed that this transmission crossmember has been beat to death. And so we were thinking that we want to replace it. Not only that, it utilizes the lowering pucks to correct driveline angle. So to remedy all of that, we're going to build our own crossmember out of this 2x4 rec tubing. It's going to be 3/16 wall. So I'll go over a few of the finer details on this thing. I had to cut these back and recess these for the bolts so that the bolts would miss on the pads. Not a big deal. We'll just cut some little tubing and then cut some flat plates, because the tubing, now after everything was all said and done, we needed to remove this whole area just to get to the bolts. So that's what we did. We cut those sections back and recessed them so that the bolts would miss. Got everything welded up. We've got our access to our 13 millimeters. Everything's done on this side. We're all ready to go. All we need is paint and install. Well, that's going to wrap it up for this one, guys. I just want to say real quick, thank you very much for everybody following along and subscribers and anybody that's supporting the channel. I really appreciate it. It means a lot to me. Keep it out of the bar pit.